Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can post journal on MyT accounting software. So if you need to make correction or adjustment to any of your codes on MyT accounting software, this is a way how you can do. So firstly, I need to know what I want to correct. So in my case, I'm looking at my profit and loss statement and I can see that there is a sales. And when I click on sales, I can see that there are product sales. So I want to move 230 to actually sales product. To do so, I need to go to sidebar and click on journals. And to add a new journal, click on new journal here. Amend reference number if you wish to, but system would automatically generate next based on a sequence numbering. Select the date of a journal, so I will keep 5th of July. Transaction details, I will say correction to income, or you can call sales, or you can call revenue. Okay, and click on add. This would add a line. Every journal should have at least minimum 2 lines to post debits and credits. Okay, so ledger in my case, it is income. And I want to move from sales, and I will copy the same description and I will add here in this description line. And because sales from accounting principle are recorded under credit, if I want to get to 0, I will need to add 230 into my debit side. And next line is automatically given or provided on MyT accounting software. So I want to move to income, but I want to move to different place, which is called sales products. And I want to move 230. So I want to increase sales, so credit sales. Okay. And once you're happy with this entry, click save. Okay, journal has been posted. And there is my correction to income, sales and revenue. So if I go back to reports, click on my profit and loss, there is no more sales section and my sales products have increased, and there is a note correction to income. So in this episode I showed you how you can post journal on MyT accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete MyT accounting software tutorial, as well as my review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.